you guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a full cleaning the house with me video. I have such a long to-do list for this video. I guess I'll start with just reading it off, but I love watching these videos. I think they're so motivating to clean, or at the very least just satisfying and entertaining to watch. So if you like these videos, you like all the cleaning time lapses, I have so much cleaning up and then just like deeper organizing to do today. The things I'm hoping to accomplish today are, first, I've mostly cleaned up from Halloween, but I just have some remaining decor I need to put away. Secondly, we recently hosted another outdoor movie night, and all of the stuff that was outside, you can't see it, but it's like hiding in this back corner over here. All of that needs to go in the garage as well. I also need to do a major bedroom cleanup. I'll talk more about that when we get there, as well as organize just all of my stuff in the bathroom cabinets in there. I'll explain later. Might do a fridge clean out in this video. Depends on if Jezzel will be home when I get to that. If not, I'm gonna save that for another time. Next, I wanna do a general cleanup of the high traffic areas in our house, because we're gonna have people over here in a few days for a very casual Friendsgiving. It's not a lot of people at all. We're just doing something very small, but still I just need to clean up kind of, you know, living room, kitchen, dining room, because we're also getting our dining chairs in here finally. I need to do a full reorganizing of our bar right here, as well as of our laundry room. Our laundry room has seen better days. And then finally, lastly on the list, we just got yard work done and it's looking so nice out, and I just want to go outside and water all of our plants. That is the direction for today's video. Grab a snack. I'm gonna just start cleaning up. To one of the areas that needs the most help, which is of course the bedroom. I've not made the bed yet today. You can see maybe a little bit. I've just been accumulating a lot of clothes at the end of the day that I just like take off and throw on the ground, which is not a good habit, but I've been doing it because I've not folded my laundry, so I'm about to do that. So I've had a laundry basket available. So anyways, it's just getting very cluttered in here, and I've noticed that this room is very quick to get messy sometimes, because this really is the room that I spend the least amount of time like during the day in. I really just come in here late at night and sleep in here. So it's easy to just like leave this space cluttered, and I'm just gonna get to it. We have laundry to put away. I also have a lot of items in here that I need to find a home for that used to go in my office, and then I'm going to organize the bathroom. So lots to do here. Not so fun part. I've been dreading this. I just brought out all of my bathroom stuff that belongs in these drawers, used to go in here, but that I took out when we were having all the plumbing redone. I had it really nice and organized the last time, and I don't really remember what my system was. Anyways, I'm gonna put all this back in here, and then this is gonna free up some room in my closet, and I need to clean up my closet. That's just kind of been like, that's really like the source of so many of the messes in this house, is that like one thing gets stored in the wrong place, and then it's just like a chain reaction of then like other things having to go in other places they don't belong, and so on. So I'm gonna get started. I'm now on to a more general deep clean type, and I wouldn't call this a deep clean. Like, I'm not getting, you know, I ain't doing the baseboards right now, but I'm just going to vacuum and dust in the living room entryway, and then a little bit in our offices. We just got the dining chairs delivered as well, which I think I'm gonna save that reveal for a vlog. I have a very exciting packed vlog that's coming up soon. Let's get to it. so bad at pouring. I have just never been good at this. Oh, we're doing the fridge clean out?
Are you doing it?
What?
Are we gonna do it?
Are you wanting to do it?
September 23.
I'll let you
Do your thing.
fridge clean out. Me?
Probably toss that. Let's be real.
Let's be real.
Maybe consolidate these two Greek yogurts.
I think that's expired.
Throw one out.
I'll just leave you to this. We'll circle back with Jezzel.
Yeah.
Our chores, well, we have just kind of like certain tasks we've assumed over the years, and anything that requires touching like dirty things like trash. Granted, I just took the trash out. Like Jezzel touches the trash, Jezzel does the dirty dishes. Fridge clean out, like any kind of scooping out leftovers, that's a Jezzel task. Anything that's like organizing, finding places for things, putting clean things away, that's me. Now moving on to the laundry room. This is an area obviously that needs a lot of help. Yeah, I feel like this is an area that when people are coming over, we just kind of hide things back here. So a lot of these are like leftover items from hosting that we've just, again, not found a place for. Alright, Jezzel has finished the fridge. Let's investigate. Looking much better. We've been like just stuffing so many things, especially all of our coffees and stuff. Wow, it looks so good. I love that you're keeping the leftover jello shots for a rainy day. It looks so good. That is going to be it for this video. I didn't get to every single thing on this list, but as you can see, it's getting dark and I'm simultaneously today starting to film a week of dinner ideas video or dinner recipes, what I eat in a week. So Jezzel and I are gonna go cook that. Stay tuned for more home updates. In my next vlog, I'm finally gonna show our new bathroom floors and kind of our plans for different areas of the house. And yeah, I hope this was fun to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.